I'm looking at this door, and this door is designed, it opens up and then there's a couch right behind the door. So what they've done is they put some door stops on here, or hinge stops I call these. So you take the hinge pin out, and then this piece is loose, and then you put that on there, put the hinge pin through that, and that's how that holds on there. And then you can adjust it. You can unscrew this or screw it in, whatever you want to get the door to stop here, to stop here, to stop there, whatever you got to do. Well, that hinge stop looks fine, doesn't it? Okay, we're gonna look at this one down here. And some doors I've seen only have one hinge stop. Maybe they only have it in the center hinge or the top hinge or the bottom hinge, but usually, you know, I like it if you got one at the top, stick one down here at the bottom too. And that's what they've done. But see, this one here is old, and the little stopper came off. And I had an old one, so I'm just gonna see what I can do about taking this off. And I don't have any replacements here, so I gotta hope that I can get this off without breaking it, or else I'm gonna have to go to the store. See there? See the nib that it fit on? But you can get these at the store, and they have different models that you can get. Look at that. Kaboom. Now I can open the door and adjust this. And what I could do first is look and see how far the threads are sticking out at the top and the bottom, and see what I have to do. And I don't have a hammer here, but just tapping the hinge pin in. Lots of times, I don't know, the hinge pin lots of times likes to ride up. So every once in a while you have to check that out to see what's going on there to keep that down. Okay, so you see the threads here on this adjustment are only sticking out about a quarter. I should make the top one about a quarter too, and I had about a ½ inch on that. Let's just see what happens here. Get all my stuff out of the way. And I'm just leaving the camera down on the tripod low, and we'll just see what happens here. Okay, see, I want it to open a little bit further, and so I'm gonna just loosen this. So I got more threads out here to have this open, because you loosen that and then that swivels that back a little bit further. Okay, that one was never really adjusted because the pin was out of it, you know, from before. So they had it shorter to allow for that, but then it's starting to dig a hole into the door. Silly people. Okay. I think I'm liking that. And I can do it. I mean, granted, it's not going to hurt too much because it's right up against the couch, per se. But it's just something you can check out. Okay, I'm liking that. Check it a couple times. Okay, there. Got it adjusted the same at the bottom as well as the top. And look at this. This is flopping all around. I guess I better fix that now too. Guess you're in luck. You're going to see that as well. That's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.